Looking for a way to actively test what you know using AI? In this video, I'll walk you through how to build quizzes in Gemini Notebook and tailor them to the exact topic you want to practice. I'm still working inside the same Sherlock Holmes notebook I've used in the previous videos. It already includes the full set of Sherlock Holmes stories from Project Gutenberg, plus a YouTube video and a website, which gives Gemini Notebook plenty of material to generate meaningful questions. To begin, don't click directly on quizzes. Instead, open the arrow next to it. If you click the main option, it will instantly generate a standard quiz, but using the drop-down first allows you to fully customize it before anything is created. From here, you can decide how many questions you want, adjust the difficulty, choose which sources should be included, and define the topic of the quiz. Gemini Notebook also provides suggested topics based on your notebook content, which you can select instead of writing your own. For this example, I'll type, "Create a 10-question multiple-choice quiz with 4 answer options about the different Sherlock Holmes stories." After setting everything up, I'll generate the quiz and wait a moment while Gemini Notebook builds it. Once it's ready, we can go through it. Each question comes with 4 answer choices, and you simply pick the one you think is correct. If you're unsure, you can use the hint option to get a small clue before answering. As soon as you select an answer, Gemini Notebook immediately tells you whether you got it right or wrong. This turns the quiz into an interactive way to check your understanding instead of just passively reading your notes. Quizzes are especially useful for studying, exam preparation, or reviewing complex material. Because you can control the number of questions, difficulty level, and source selection, you can easily create practice tests that match your personal learning needs. Thanks for watching this tutorial on quizzes in Gemini Notebook. I hope it helps you test your knowledge more effectively.